I must say that this experience was truly one I will never forget.
Oh my gosh, it's been a couple weeks since I've been back, and I am still kind of unpacking all of the learning and all of the incredible experiences.
The experience was incredible.
Aside from all of the amazing yoga and meditations that we got to sit through and work through and practice, the excursions that we took to the places that we got to see in Central America were also so amazing, so fun, so soul nourishing.
It's one of those things where you think you're going to explore the world around you, but you learn so much about yourself in the process.
To wake up every day to the sun kissing your face, to being able to be a part of something bigger than yourself, a community that loves on you, that you become friends.
People on the cruise that came to the Explore and Restore experience were just all such heart-led, beautiful, beautiful people.
We're all in a WhatsApp group chatting. We want to travel together again. We formed this incredible bond with women from in their 20s to their 70s and just shared life experiences.
It is rewarding. It is beneficial. It will change your life.
I highly recommend this experience to everyone.
And I came home with truly a shift in my perspective on life. So I'm just so grateful, and I really, really hope I get the chance to go on one of these again.
It is so worth it, and you are worth it. I promise you, do it.